is the World Cup of Under-19, and they will carry the right kind of mindset and the confidence into that tournament when they travel to Zimbabwe, which is their next flight. So they couldn't have asked for a better outing. And this is how it all happened in the end. This is the last wicket where Pakistan won this tournament. Well taken by Hussain. He has been wonderful in this tournament. He scored 100, scored 50s as well. He's batted in the pressure moments, and he's deserved it. And Ali Raza, he hasn't been among the wickets lately, but he's bowled with great pace. And he's been spoken about a lot, and we've seen a lot of batters staying on the leg side while facing Ali Raza, and that's the kind of effect that he has brought in with his pace, and a lot of joy for these Pakistan supporters. And look at Sarfaraz, boy is he happy. He will be reliving the Champions Trophy 2017 final, then he was the captain, now he's the mentor, and he will think of himself as being a very lucky person, because this is the second time final against India. On the winning side, people behind the scenes, they need to be appreciated.
Let's go down to Asad, who's there with one of the members of the winning side.
Yeah, double treat for you guys. The two sensational fast bowlers from Pakistan, Ali Raza and Abdul Samad with us. Ali, सबसे पहले तो बहुत-बहुत मुबारक हो. कैसा फील कर रहे हैं? सिंकिंग हो गए? जीत गए?
बिल्कुल जी, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. एफर्ट कर रहे थे पहले मैच से ही, पर अनफॉर्चुनेटली अनलकी रह रहे थे, कोर्ट भी हैंड हो रहे थे और सारी चीजें हो रही थी, बट आउट नहीं थे हो रहे. बट मैं भी थोड़ा सा परेशान था और एफर्ट कर रहा था. टीम पूरी सपोर्ट कर रही थी, पीछे से कोचिंग स्टाफ, पूरे लड़के. अब्दुल सुबान मेरा रूममेट है. हमारी पहले से डिस्कस हो रही थी कि आज मैन ऑफ द मैच मैं लाऊंगा. हम लोगों की आपस में डिस्कस हो रही थी, और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह 2 मैचों में जिस तरह ये है, मुझे भी बैक कर रहा था, मैच को बैक कर रहा, तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सही बॉलिंग थी हमारी, और टीम ने जिस तरीके से एफर्ट की है, कैचेस, विन द मैच और रन आउट हुए, जिस तरह स्पेशली हमारी फील्डिंग हुई, आउटस्टैंडिंग बैट्समैनों ने जिस तरह आज अच्छा खेले, और बहुत अमेजिंग लाइक टीम स्पिरिट है. और इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट आगे ट्राई सीरीज और वर्ल्ड कप, इंशाल्लाह सारे लड़कों के ऊपर पूरा ट्रस्ट है कि इंशाल्लाह हमारी टीम अच्छा करेगी. और मैं भी 6 माह से साइड में था और मैं कोई क्रिकेट नहीं था खेल रहा, और मुझे ये एक बड़ी ऑनर की बात है कि मैं एक साइड में था और इस टीम का मैं हिस्सा हूँ, क्योंकि एज अ सीनियर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि इनमें खेल के और इनसे सीख रहा हूँ मैं चीज़ों को. बड़ा मजा आया. लाइक कोई टूर्नामेंट खेला
मिलती थी, और जैसे देखा जाए कि हमारी पार्टनरशिप लगती थी बॉलिंग की. अनलकी रह रहे थे, इनको विकेट्स नहीं थी मिल रही, लेकिन मैं आउट आ रहा था, और इनका वो एक्सपीरियंस है. इन्होंने साथ साथ नोट में भी शेयर करते अंदर आ रहा था बाहर से भी, और साथ में कोचेस की एफर्ट, और भाई जो लड़कों ने एफर्ट किया मैच पे मैच, तो उससे हमें विन मिली.
तो बहुत ही शानदार परफॉर्मेंस रही आपकी थ्रू आउट द टूर्नामेंट. तो क्या खास कर रहे थे, क्या अलग कर रहे थे आप इस टूर्नामेंट में जो इतनी कामयाबी मिली है?
कुछ नहीं, सिंपल था. पीछे जो हमारा कैंप लगा था 4-5 माह का, उधर कोचेस ने सही हेल्प करवाई है, साथ में मेहनत भी करवाई है, चीजें भी बताई हैं, और जो उधर किया और इधर हमें हेल्प मिली.
अली रज़ा, अब यहाँ से वर्ल्ड कप की तैयारी होगी, कितना मैटर करेगी ये जीत वर्ल्ड कप पे जाते हुए?
सबसे पहले तो बड़ी एक शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमारे ड्रेसिंग रूम में जिस तरह हमारे मेंटोर हैं सैफी भाई हैं, जिस तरह उन्होंने चैंपियन ट्रॉफी जितवाई, राव भाई हैं, इन्होंने 2009 का लीग में मेरे से आज क्या ड्रॉप हुआ पर अनफॉर्चुनेटली भाई के साथ, और अभी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैंने एक्शन के ऊपर आकर भाई ने मेरे साथ काम किया था, और मैं उस चीज़ को रिलाय कर रहा था कि अगले मैच में करूँगा, अगले में करूँगा, बट नहीं था, और मैं ट्राई कर रहा था अपनी बेस्ट. और राव भाई हमारे मुझे पूरा सपोर्ट कर रहे थे, स्वान को सपोर्ट कर रहे थे, श्याम को, सब लड़कों को सपोर्ट कर रहे थे एज अ फास्ट बॉलिंग यूनिट, और हमारा अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आपस में बड़ा अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन था, और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है.
सियालकोट से आपका ताल्लुक है, जश्न शुरू हो गया होगा, मैच वहां देख रहे हो कि फॉलो कर रहे हैं आपकी परफॉर्मेंस आंखों?
जी बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है. वो जश्न गाड़े होंगे, वो देख भी रहे थे सारे, तो खुशी की बात है मेरे लिए भी और उनके लिए भी.
तो चलिए आप चलते हैं अपने फेलो कमेंटेटर की तरफ. बताइए आप क्या रेडी हैं या मैं और बात कर सकता हूं? चलिए.
Thank you, Ali. It was to young and excited Ali Raza, response from the Pakistan players, putting up a great show, and in the end, getting the success, getting the trophy, and gifting it to the people of Pakistan who were out there in their support, coloring their hair into green, pulling up the green shirts.
Well, Fidai is out there with the coaching and support staff, this Pakistan under-19 side. Let's hear from them. Joined by Iftikhar, the bowling coach, successful bowling coach, all the matches and 10 wickets every game. Congratulations. What does this victory mean?
Alhamdulillah, it means a lot to all of us because we worked for this from last 6 months. So we started this journey back in May. So we prepared this for Asia Cup and World Cup.
Absolutely, the Under-19 World Cup, just a few days and months away to say. So how happy you are as the bowling coach from the bowling unit?
Obviously, when you win, and you feel happy because you are part of the team, and the way we performed, the way we improved day by day, after game after game. So I'm very pleased with the performances of the boys.
And so how happy were you when you were bowling and knowing that they were defending 348? So what was the plan?
We wanted to show that how good we are in both the departments, and luckily in the first half, the batsmen did exceptionally well. They put a very good score and brought opposition under pressure. And then
Scope for pressure was always on them trying to chase down 348. When you have your number 10 batter as the top scorer, just tells you a story, doesn't it?
Yeah, obviously, this was a great pitch to bat on, great batting conditions, great outfield. Just that it was too fast and too furious to start with, and they lost the way by losing wickets. It's a huge total, and you've got to occupy the crease for at least 50, 45 overs, somewhere in between, to get to such a total. It just doesn't happen in the first 10 or 15 overs, and that's the mistake. I think when Surya was going so well, the others just did not require to match him. They just had to take their time, allow him to be himself, and then take it from there onwards. 10 overs by 10 overs, build up partnerships.
Absolutely, 4 wickets for Ali Raza today. This is what happened in the innings. Remember, the pump already had a great start with Vaibhav Suryavanshi going hammer and tongs in that very first over for 20 odd. You knew that the chase was on at that stage.
Yeah, he was on fire to start off with, and this happened. Mahathre, just a foolish length ball, just driven straight to cut off. And then the wickets started to tumble as Aaron came in, a tentative start, then a couple of boundaries, one on the legs, a couple driven through the covers, and he looked $1 million before he was caught on the short ball. Surprising with his pace, Sayyam bowls the hard ball, the heavy one. And then the next over, Ali Raza does the job. He takes the big one of Suryavanshi. And then Subhan comes in. He cleans up another batter. And Pakistan go on top after picking up Behan.
And you expected Nidam Trivedi to come good to the bat. Unfortunately for him, again, only picking up that short ball from Siam that rushed onto him. Again, Gundu carried on with some big shots before he just simply gave a catch to the fielder as third man. Subhan claiming that wicket.
Then a bit of resistance from the batters in the middle, and then Chauhan went trying to pull one. Short ball working really well for the Pakistan bowlers. And these are some shots played by the lower order, Kilan Patel. And then he tried to go straight, but only managed to get to Sayyam.
There was some big hits from Dipesh Devendra. Took on the fast bowlers as well. Couple of skiers, one of them put down in the deep that went for 4, but that didn't deter him. The inside edge going for 4 as well. Finally, he holed out in the deep.
Yeah, catch well held, well judged, and to end the successful campaign, this catch was taken. And Ali Raza, well, who is talking? Because he is signaling to someone to stay quiet. As the crowd came in, Pakistan gave them a shocker to the opposition. 347, nobody would have thought that they would reach the score of this magnitude when the game started, especially when India put them into bat. And